So let's create an asset library from scratch in Blender. And if you want this asset library here on the left, there is a link in the description. So go check that out. So the very first thing we have to do is actually mark our assets that we want to have part of the asset library. So I'm just going to get rid of the floor for now. And so this asset library here is just creating a whole bunch of buildings. Now I haven't properly named them over here on the right, but that's fine. But this is kind of like the assets that we can build from this library. Over here on the right hand side, I'm going to click right click, mark as asset. And now that's told Blender that anything that's marked as an asset, will now appear in the asset library in a sec. So if we go into current file, will it be present? They sure are. So from here, let's press Ctrl S to save. Let's open up a new blend file. And if we open up the asset library over here on the left, top left-hand corner, asset browser, we are not going to have those pieces anywhere within this asset library. So we need to now add that file to this library. So if we go into Edit, Preferences, Files and Paths, and we've got asset libraries here, I'm going to click on the plus sign and go to where the folder is that contains my file, add asset library, and then we'll click Save to Preferences. If I go into unassigned, we will see all our pieces in here. Let's refresh. There we go. Now we can't really place these into a container over here on the left-hand side because we're not in the file. So if we come back into our file, let's just go current file. I'm just going to create this one. Let's just go Cyberpunk Buildings into unassigned. Let's select everything, click and drag that in. And now we've got that in there. Control S to save. Back into our other file, if we click refresh, how about we go back and save it first? I hate you. There we go, that's better. Close and reopen, always fixes it. We've got our folder here of Cyberpunk Buildings. And so now we can start bringing in all our little pieces, where we can now go ahead and create our buildings that we've laid out. And so I did actually, I'm going to go select these, right click, Shift A, cursor, selection to grid. And now everything will snap together, which is absolutely awesome. Have I got that backwards? I sure do. Beautiful. And then we can do the same here, where I'm going to just place it like so. Let's go right click, Shift A, selection to grid. And now we have that. Very quickly build your own asset library. There are links in the description if you want to acquire some of mine. And if at this point, just give me a subscribe, like, and a comment, let me know. Also, if you get any other problems about Blender, not everything else, like what the one Frenchman said to the other Frenchman, I don't know because I don't speak French. It's been a long day.